Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we have been using Shopify for a while now, but suddenly your customers are seeing a payment failed message, which can seriously hurt conversions. So in this small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all of them fixes to the payment fail issue in Shopify in 2026 version. So let's get started. Number 1, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, and go and look all the way for Shopify.com. This will take you to the homepage or this new window where you usually just log in using your email address, password, the usual stuff. Now we should go to our settings and actually verify our payment methods. Okay, so I just tapped on settings, I'm gonna go all the way to payments. As you see here, there is multiple payment methods including payment provider. You can just go and choose your provider. You can use PayPal. You can use multiple options. Verify your payment credentials. Ensure your API keys and accounts are connected. You can also check the customer card details. Expired or blocked cards cause failures. Disable any conflicting apps. Maybe a fraud or payment apps may block the payments. Well, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do so right now. So we have the main page, we have the app section, we're just gonna tap on the app section, all the way to the apps and sales channel settings. As for now, we have this app. For me, we're gonna just tap on the three-dot menu and tap on uninstall immediately. And tap on uninstall, it will be deleted instantly. Check your currency settings as well. Ensure store currency matches the gateway settings. You can also give it a test with another payment method. Try PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or whatever is currently available for you. As a last resort, you should contact the payment provider. Reach out if failures continue. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.